Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove zoom to the accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on settings. In settings, swipe up to go down, and in here tap on accessibility. Then swipe up to go down to the bottom and tap on accessibility shortcut. Next, we scroll down and tap on zoom. Tap on zoom to add it to the menu or to remove it from the menu. If there is a checkbox right next to it, then that means it is added to the menu. Now swipe up to return back to the home screen. When you want to access to zoom from the shortcut menu, you triple click on the side button. So 1, 2, 3, and this will open up the accessibility shortcuts menu. And here you can tap on zoom to turn it on or to switch it off. Once it is turned on, you can use the zoom feature. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.